It is indeed an honor to be here with you this morning as we celebrate the launch of our fully branded Jinja Roundabout, which is a reflection of our partnership, our commitment, and also our community pride.
As you all know, we are the gateway to the Eastern region. What inspired the concept was the heritage of this city. What is Jinja known for? Jinja is an industrial city. It's a green city. So what you see on here is depicting the story of Jinja.
This roundabout, which is very, very, very vibrant with MTN colors, is more than a traffic junction. It is a symbol of movement. It is a symbol of connection. It is a symbol of the progress that we as the people of Busoga, in partnership with yourselves, are being able to make.
Jinja City is a regional city which was established on the foundation of Jinja being an industrial and a tourist region. So thank you for making us visible as a city.
Thank you for continuing to accept us. Thank you for the warm welcome that you have given us. Thank you for allowing us to be able to serve the people of Jinja. Thank you for allowing us to also be able to do business here. And we believe that with this kind of commitment, our progress as a city, our progress as a kingdom is truly unstoppable.